if we investigate the cyclical nature of resurgence, we have to begin first with some form of recognition of nature itself. And we should enter into this examination by means of a reconceptualization of what we might call the novelty of the natural. To speak about nature in this way necessitates not only a recursive dialogue, one which implicates itself in its own enactment, but one which, through conceptualization, leads us toward a reimagining of our predispositions toward it. And that examination is sourced from a reconstituted dialectic, one which on one level can satisfy all of the needs of that rhetorical theory, but also which allows for a new attempt at such classifications. So while we're able to move into a new state of unearthed narrative, we must also hearken back to this phenomena of eternal return and a nostalgia for the incomplete. The resurgence of cycle, then, the rebirth of the distant, it's in a way repulsed against the new or the newness of the symbolic. And this separation creates a bridge which hinges between an understanding of the shift itself, the metamorphosis, and the actual foundation underlying that narrative. So if we open this dichotomy and separate these two oppositional states, we begin to see that this bridge overarching the gap is actually a source of cohesion, implicating each opposition in its own bilateral unfolding. This way, the underlying nature of these responsive grounds comes to light as a formal and a didactic bonding.